How to report copyright infringement on Amazon. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Amazon provides a specific form for reporting intellectual property infringements, including copyright and trademark issues. To access and complete this form, firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for amazon.com/report/infringement and further scroll down and tap on the Start a Report button. Now, go ahead and fill in the required details such as your contact information, a description of the copyrighted work you believe has been infringed, the specific URLs or ASINs of the infringing product, and a statement affirming your good faith belief that the use of the material is unauthorized. Also include an affirmation that the information provided is accurate and that you are authorized to act on behalf of the copyright owner. Now, go ahead and enroll in Amazon Brand Registry, monitor and follow up. After submitting your report, Amazon will investigate the claim. They may contact you for additional information or clarification. It's advisable to monitor the status of your report and respond promptly to any requests from Amazon. So, this is how you can report copyright infringement on Amazon. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.